Welcome to Programming Line channel. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Do you know why iPhones are expensive in India? Millions of people in India use phones and other advanced mobile phones for personal and commercial purposes. They use iPhones for exploring news channels, messaging, and watching videos. There is a consistent demand for advanced series like iPhone 13 Pro New, iPhone New, iPhone 12, and iPhone SE. Have you ever thought about why iPhones are expensive in India? Not only do you have this doubt, but even others who frequently use advanced model mobile phones look out for a proper answer for this question. Click this video and watch it till the end without skipping the contents. Leading mobile manufacturers like Samsung, Nokia, Xiaomi, Videocon, GV, Lava and Comeo have manufacturing facilities in India. The smartphone mobile devices that come out from these manufacturing units are much cheaper when compared to iPhones. The reason is that the NRI brands that manufacture and sell Android mobile phones do not charge customs duty. On the other hand, iPhones that use Apple's iOS mobile operating system come out from the manufacturing facilities of Foxconn in Taiwan. So, if you want to buy iPhone, you will be left out with no other option but to bear custom duty. Why are that import duty and GST levied for branded iPhones? The import duty for branded iPhones imported from foreign lands is 22.5%, which means the customers who buy iPhone 13 or the latest series have to bear the customs duty. All laws and rules related to customs duty fall under CBEC. The Central Board of Excise and Customs is a division attached to the Department of the Ministry of Finance. Buyers must also bear GST, that will be around Rs 10,000 extra. But it is still worth an investment. You can own the iPhone series only when you pay customs duty that comes as an additional charge. Why should you buy original iPhones from trusted stores? The iPhones sold in the shops have information security, simple operating logic, unique apps, Apple Pay, and family sharing features. You will not be able to find these types of advanced features, inbuilt apps, and user-friendly touchscreens in any of the mobile devices market in India. The resale value of iPhones is much higher than Android phones. You can resell the iPhones quickly through prominent buying and selling online platforms like OLX, Second-Hand Bazaar, and Quicker. Never buy iPhone mobile phones from unknown sources since the product may not meet your desire. Kindly subscribe to this channel for getting information related to the latest technology news.